Hello and welcome to Food with Rach! In today's video, I am going to show you my very own version of Tofu Sisig. So let's not waste our time and let's go. Our first ingredient is tofu, 1 piece medium-sized red onion, 1 piece medium-sized white onion, 2 pieces long chili chopped, 1 piece Siling Labuyo, and 4 tablespoons of liquid seasoning. Mayonnaise, any brand, and butter, any brand as well. Let's start by heating our pan. Turn the stove into medium heat. Pour a huge amount of lard in our pan, making sure that the tofu will be deep fried. Sige, damihan mo pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Fry the tofu until it's floating and it's brown. Once all the tofu have been fried, chop this into small pieces and prepare your butter. Drain the pan and melt 1 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Shoot the red onion. Wait until it's cooked. Add our sliced tofu. Put our chili, white onion, notification bell para ma-notify ka kung meron tayong bagong videos ng anything about food.